no send you there to play. But now him gone a Rikers Island. Him never want go a Rikers Island. Him used to chuck it from Brooklyn to Bronx, and I go like the most top ranks. But now for him government response, cause him gone a Rikers Island. Him used to mix up with the Dan man, and now him gone.
Anaitwa sijaijua kwamba Kokoti alikuwa ni somo yangu jameni. Nati OJ.
Yes sir.
Sikujua, najua leo siku ambapo jamani ameenda mbele za haki mazee.
Yeah man. It's a sad news.
Calvin George Scott.
It's a sad news, and I personally received this news with a heavy heart.
As a reggae in the reggae fraternity. Yes.
When we had that Mr. Kokoti passed on. So when we say if Kokoti did pass on, then we realize that it's naturally.
It is naturally.
The Almighty took him. But if you find or follow reggae music, then you realize that Kokoti shaped dancehall music. You know, originally it was only roots music.
That's dancehall music.
Peter Tosh, Gladiators, named them the Diamonds, Culture, you know, gave us that roots. And then came dancehall. And dancehall was mostly associated with guns, lyrics, you know, gun lyrics, you know.
Don't bring your guns to town.
All these kind of things, you know, which were not pleasant, But there came elders in the music, like Kokoti, who made sure that the music dancehall was conscious music.
Conscious music.
And rock, you know? So Kokoti tumempoteza, na tunasema I cannot talk kama Mjamaika ambaye alikuwa kule kwao, lakini ile influence
ambayo imefika mpaka huku.
Sisi wenyewe tulikuwa tukiingia kwenye maklabu, tulikuwa tunapata zile ngoma za Kokoti. We really appreciated the role and purpose Mr. George Scott played. So kwa hivyo tunasema kwa fans wa reggae music internationally, family, friends, you know, tunasema pole ale kwa Kokoti, ametangulia
mbele za haki.
Ameinua pia vipaji sana, na he was also philanthropic.
Yes man, msikilizaji, of course ni reggae legend ambaye ni Kokoti, ambaye fariki jana akiwa na miaka 65. Baada inasema kama ulikuwa na mshtuko wa moyo.
Ndio sababu ambazo nimezipata, sijazithibitisha, lakini mara nyingi hizo sababu mimi wasiangali sana.
Kuna kwamba shaenda
transition time imefika. You know, with the time we come on earth, with the time we live on earth, with the time we live out of the earth.
You understand this thing, my brother. You understand.
We understand. So we are in an earth plane. But basically what we say, like your song umeplay Rikers Island, Kokoti alikuwa anaimbia wakati ule, unajua Jamaica wengi wako wanakimbilia wanaenda Amerika. Rikers Island is a prison in America. So alikuwa anawaambia bana, wewe ukienda kule ukijisahau Amerika ukifanya vituko vyako utajikuta
utafungwa.
Umefungwa.
Kwa hivyo conscious music anakuambia wewe jiangalie.
It was an advice. Na hata Lovers Rock amezimba sana ile girl go home to your mama, you're too young to be my lover, vitu kama vile
18 and over.
18 and over.
Hiyo ndio ilijulikana nao sana by the way.
Hiyo na hiyo Rikers Island, hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come Babylon.
So it's a blessing. Baraka FM station, we recognize internationally recognize Mr. Kokoti for his role and purpose. Nati OJ, we salute the fraternity, we salute the man, and we say we still trolling on.
Najua kuna wimbo wake Obama, Barack Obama, Obama.
Kipindi cha Obama kile play part kubwa sana katika maana watu walikuwa wanasherehekea. Watu walikuwa wanasherehekea a black man, you know, rising
utawala Marekani, the most powerful nation.
Man.
Huyo ni Kokoti marehemu. Lakini mambo pia julikana nao sana mzaji ni kwa shaucheza, lakini huwa hapa.
Now this one is designed for 18 and over. Say 18 and over. Hey. Girl, won't you go home to your mama. Your mama, go home to your papa. Your papa, you're too young to be my lover. To be for my lover. Whoa, you must be 18 and over. I've been checking.
Kind of of an advice whereby nowadays watu hawapatiani ukiona mtoto wa kike amekuja mdogo mwingine anajichanganya naye unaona lakini ubingwa anajaribu kusema hapana
wewe bado mdogo sana
bado ni mdogo
usinione ukafall kwa sababu yangu
you are too young to be my lover
hata your papa won't agree Kokoti RIP.
Yeah man, rest in power.
Yes.
Yeah man, nowadays it's not only peace.
It's in
rest
power.
In power.
Jameni.
Eternal power of the Most High. Blessed love.
In a decent time. Asante sana mzaji amekuwa Nati OJ, ukipenda mzee wa kiti. Majina ni mengi.
Ndio. Isipokuwa tu sasa hivi kwa sababu ya reggae, I am Nati OJ and me represent reggae music internationally. So we salute and we're talking to the massive in all nations of creation. We better understand, know ourselves. We must look into ourselves, into depth of our souls.
To know ourselves.
Yeah man. For God so loved this world that he gave his only begotten Son.
Yes, that's whoever she believes in him
should not perish but everlasting life. Because blessed is the one that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly.
Yes.
Nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful.
No.
Nor standeth in the way of sinners. He lies in the name of the Lord, in it he meditate day and night. He shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water that bring its fruits in due season. Fire burn!
Nadiza Magidon time.